Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 3. Didn't really plan on a Part 3, but I did it with the Drop Shadow tool, and it came out really good. So I made a copy, and I've nudged it over, and if you see, I'm going to group that together and nudge it over. It puts it right on top of our original, so now I can work with it. I am going to go ahead and go to Object, Group, and ungroup it so my boundary tool will work. I'm going to make a boundary. I'm going to nudge the boundary down. I'm going to go ahead and group this together. Well, no, don't even have to do that. I'm going to break the curve apart because now I'm going to weld it, or not weld it, sorry. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour. Okay, whenever you don't have a group, it won't contour unless you do one at a time. So now that I grouped it, the contour will come up. And that'll work. I just want, I probably didn't even have to make a contour, but we'll leave it. Break the contour part and grab the contour. Now, we're going to fill all this in with black. And now I'm going to take the block shadow tool and just kind of swipe straight down. I'm going to select it all. I'm going to go to Object and break the block shadow apart. I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to left click, right click. We do not need this interior stuff. And you can see I came a little bit to the left angle. I'm going to get rid of all the interior letters. Well, you know what? Even better than that. Let's back up. All I want is the exterior. So let's take a rectangle, take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Look at that. That gave us that block. Didn't have to erase all those lines. I'm going to change the Smart Shadow or the virtual Smart Fill tool to a different color so you can see it, but I'm going to go ahead and now make it black. And because I've nudged all the time, I can put that right back, go up to Object, Order, Front of Page. Look at that. It saved me from moving all those nodes. And you could still, dramatically change, if you wanted a different look up there, a different look up there, you could still move nodes around on your, even if, let's say if you wanted an edge over there, right click, turn that into a line, look at that. We could get rid of that one and take these two and right click and turn them into a line and you get a total different look. Well, you wouldn't want to turn those into a line. But that's a pretty cool effect. Now what you can do to get that, what we did earlier, take this right here and left click, right click, and then we can contour twice to the outside. And of course, to do this, we have to move our letters out of the way. I'll tell you what, I'm going to shift select both letters and Control G to group them. I'm going to nudge them out of the way. Smart Fill tool set on black. Get the interior and the exterior, change it to white, do the center. I think this actually looks better. Object, order, front of page. Pretty cool look. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.